Suppose that 2% are randomly selected from this group without replacement. Okay. So kalau katakan kita tukarlah with replacement. Okay, with replacement maksudnya probability-nya sama dan kamu tak boleh pakai yang combination rule. Okay, itu kena ingat tak boleh pakai yang tu combination rule. Sebab kalau with replacement maksudnya proses tu independent. Independent actually it should be macam binomial distribution je. It cannot be. Sebab kalau yang taburan yang kamu pakai tu bukanlah taburan. Maksud saya yang combination rule tu without replacement dia akan membentuk satu lagi taburan which is we call as hypergeometric distribution. Okay, hypergeometric distribution is process for without replacement. But if you have with replacement, normally it is independent and it should be a binomial distribution. Okay, so itu yang tak berada di dalam kamu punya syllabus lah. Itu for the next stage nantilah. Itu pemahaman sendirilah So again, the process is without replacement. Okay, without replacement. So sama proses juga yang tadi. Kita ada 4 left-handed maksudnya 8 lagi right-handed lah. Kita assume sebenarnya 8 lagi adalah right-handed. Okay, that's mean 4 left, 8 right-handed. Okay. So you want to choose 2%. Okay, X denote the number of left-handed person. So again, determine what is your small x. So you have 0, 1, 2. So find what is probability X equals to 0, what is probability X equals to 1, what is probability X equals to 2. So the same process. So either you want to build up your tree diagram, find the probability, or you can use also your combination rule. Okay. So kalau kita tengok, kita tengok solution je lah terus kalau ni. Okay. You can just copy my solution, but I cannot give you directly the soft copy. Okay. Okay, so again, probability X equal to 0. Betul soalan ni Okay. Kan soalan ni kan? Kan salah skema pula. Okay. So, the same answer you got? Dapat Okay, so again, you have probability X equals to 0. So either no left-handed, so right-handed and right-handed. So you have 8 right-handed, so process is without replacement. So 8 over 12 times 7 over 11. Okay, so we get 14 over 33. So again, probability X equals to 1. Okay, that's mean either right-handed and left-handed or left-handed and right-handed. Okay, so sama je. Kita ada 4 over 12 times 8 over 11, 8 over 12 plus times 4 over 11. So you have 16 over 33. Okay, probability X equals 2. Okay, so that's mean both are left-handed. So 3 over 33. So check, double check, total probability sama tak dengan 1. Okay, kalau sama, there's no problem lah. So that one. Okay, so that is the first one. Okay. Second one. Kejap. Okay. So again, question number 2, you have probability X equals to X plus 2 over 20. Okay, you have KX and then show that K equals to 1 over 44. Okay, so benda yang sama, pattern yang sama. So that's mean you just insert your probability X equals to 2, X equals to 3 and then total up equals to 1. So set, show that. So maksudnya kamu kena dapatkan lah K itu sama tak dengan 1/44. Okay, once you already have your K, using your K equals to 1 over 44. Okay, even though let's say lah kamu tak dapat K equals to 1 over 44, but since you need to calculate the probability, so guna balik K sama dengan 1/44. Okay. Sebab ini kayaknya part 1 ni is a bonus lah. That's mean kamu kena check sama tak dengan 1/44. Kalau tak sama, maksudnya kamu punya calculation tu ada yang salah lah So again, that one. So use that K to solve this probability. So you just find probability X equals to 3, X equals to 4, plus X equals to 5. Okay. Just identify whether this one is a discrete ataupun continuous. Okay, itu jangan tertukar Okay, since this one is a discrete kita tak ada dalam bentuk interval. Kalau continuous macam ni. Okay. So last, determine what is your EX and then what is your variance. EX sama lah, summation. Tulis dulu apa formula dia. EX, you have summation X times probability. Okay, so masukkan setiap satu, darabkan dengan dia punya probability dia. Okay, the same thing for variance. So last, you want to find your variance. Sorry. Sekejap. Okay, once you want to find your variance, square root 5x minus 2. Okay, ikut properties for variance. So again, you will solve is 5 variance x. Okay, so 5 variance x. Okay, here you have this one. Your probability, your EX. Okay, EX square, and then this is your variance, and last what is your properties for variance, kita guna balik. So 5 variance x, so 5 times 1.64. Okay, so that is your variance. Okay, so just calculation je, cuma jangan careless mistake, and then double check lah kalau you punya calculation. Okay. Okay, so this one again, ini pun show that C is equals to 2. So again, you want to find integration. So from 0 up to 1, y dy. Okay, and then C minus y dy, 1 to 2, set equals to 1. So solve that one, show that C is equals to 2. Okay, then determine the cumulative distribution function. Okay, ni kita ada dua range, so panjang sikit lah. So determine the cumulative distribution function for y. So again, you consider what happened when y less than 0, between 0 and 1, 1 and 2, and then last is y greater than 2. Okay, y greater than 2. Okay, sama ya. Okay. Okay. So again, inilah. Okay, y less than 0, 0 up to 1. Okay, so minus infinity up to 0, 0 up to y. Okay, 1 and 2, minus infinity up to 0, 0 up to 1, 1 up to y. Okay, so you have this answer. Okay, y greater than 2. So minus infinity up to 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2y. Okay, so that show lah macam mana kita dapat equals to 1. Okay, so the next one, once you already have your distribution, cumulative distribution, you can put in terms of function. Tulis balik, salin balik, tulis balik lah capital Fy dia, apa dia punya value dia. Okay, so ini probability y greater than 0.5. So again, if you want to use your cumulative distribution function, so it just 1 minus capital F. Okay, kalau nak integrate, boleh integrate from 0.5 up to some value lah. Kita tengoklah some value tu apa. Okay, dia punya range lah 0.5 up to 2 lah kiranya kat sini. Okay. Okay, that is part 2 and also part 3. Okay. Okay, question 4. Okay, you have capital Fx. Compute the probability that it takes more than 3 months to develop the software. Okay, so kamu nak selesaikan adalah probability x greater than 3. So it's the same thing as 1 minus probability, katakan macam itulah, x less than equals to 3. Okay. So since we give you the cumulative distribution function. Okay, so the again, okay, sorry ya. Okay. Yang ni dalam bentuk tahun in years. Okay, salah saya punya ni. Padam dulu, okay. So given is in years so again you give you here is 3 months. Okay, sekiranya 3/12 lah. Okay. So you want to find more than 3 months, so that's mean you change more than 3 divided by 12. Okay, 3 divided by 12. Kita ada 0.25 Okay, so that's mean probability x greater than 0.25. Okay, so again, if you want to use your cumulative distribution function, so 1 minus f 0.25 because this one is in terms of continuous function. So dah ada ini, masukkan je lah. Okay, so let's say we refer to the solution here. Okay, ini je. Okay, so 1 minus f 1/4 ataupun f 0.25. So just substitute in your capital Fx, you get the answer. Okay, itu part 1 Okay. Okay. And then compute the expected number. So compute the expected number maksudnya dapatkan dia punya expected value dia. So again lah, you have your fx is 5x to the power 4. So ex, x times your density function. Ini make sure kamu tukar baliklah pada density function. Sebab kalau ex adalah x darabkan dengan small fx, which is your density function, not your cumulative. Okay, so selesaikan, get your ex. Okay. Simple je kan, random variable. Nanti, lah, sorry. Okay, 1 to 4. Okay, number 5. Okay, number 5 is binomial. So again, it is claimed that 45% letters are delivered within 2 days of the time of mailing. So 9 letters are randomly sent to different locations. So what is the probability that exactly 4 letters will be delivered within 2 days? Okay, it is a binomial distribution, bukan Poisson. Okay, walaupun kita ada ni lah, maksudnya kamu jangan confuse lah sebab kita ada 45%. And then we don't have the term, let's say average number ke apa ke, tak ada. Okay, you have your n, you have your pi. So it should be your binomial distribution. Okay, probability is 0.45. Okay, x is number of letters that are delivered within 2 days. Okay, of the time of mailing. So what is the probability that exactly 4 letters? So you want to solve is probability x equals to 4. Okay, you can use either your formula, probability mass function, or you can also use your stats table because 0.45 is still in your table. Okay, solve kan, dapatlah dia punya probability. Okay, next, find the probability that from 3 to 7. Okay, from 3 to 7. So that's mean you want to solve is probability x less than or equals to 7. Again, read from your stats table. What you want to find is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so probability x less than equals to 7 minus probability x less than equals to 2. Then you get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Markah dia tak banyak sangat. 2 markah je. Maksudnya kamu dapat bentuk dia macam mana, method. And then you answer lah. Okay. And then the last one, find the expected number and variance. So expected number and pi, your variance is n pi, 1 minus pi. Okay, let's just check the solution. Okay, this one. Okay, so get the answer. So 7, 2, so 0.414. And then mean and also your variance. Okay, itu part A. Okay, direct je. Okay, let's go back. So B. Okay, now kita bagi P pula. Okay. So a random sample of 12 students is selected. Okay, given that P is equals to 0.15, find the probability that at least 7 students own a car. Okay, so given that your P is 0.15, so at least 7, maksudnya probability X greater than or equals to 7. So that's mean 1 minus probability X less than or equals to 6. Okay, ini tak ada apalah ya. Dapatkan P equals to 0.15. Okay, mana tadi? Okay, this one Okay, sekejap. Okay, mana tadi? Soalan kita tadi. Okay. N12, your P, okay, 0.15. Oh, saya letak kat sini 0.25 Okay. Tak apalah. Okay, ini kamu check lah jawapan kamu apa. Sebab yang kat sini P dia adalah 0.15. Tapi dalam saya punya solution, P dia 0.25. Okay, mungkinlah ada tukar sikit at last tu. Shows true. Okay, so you just find what is the probability using your P equals to 0.15. So by the same step lah, kamu ada probability X greater than equals to 7. So 1 minus probability X less than equals to 6. Okay, using N12, P is 0.15. Binomial 12, 0.15. Okay. Okay, so again, part 2. Suppose the probability that none of the student own a car is 0.05. So maksudnya yang tak ada kereta 0.05. So you want to find the value of P to 3 decimal places. Tapi N kita still 12 lah. Okay, so kalau macam ni macam mana nak selesaikan? given the probability, none of the student. So that's mean you need to use your PMF Okay, kita tengok. Okay, guna balik PMF dia. So, probability X equals to 0, 0.05. Probability X equals to 0. So, 12 choose 0, P to the 0, 1 minus P to the 12 equal to 0.05. So, selesaikanlah. P itu berapa. Okay. Find from your calculator lah this value ni. Okay, so in this case, P is equals to 0.221. Okay. Okay. Okay, question number 5. Okay, the last one. You have the probability, but again, your pi is 0.85, greater than 0.5. So if 7 patients are given the antibiotic, find the probability that not less than 4 patients cure after taking the antibiotic. Okay, not less than, tidak kurang daripada 4. So tidak kurang daripada 4 maksudnya apa? Lebih ataupun sama dengan 4. Okay, so X kat sini apa? Binomial. Okay, 7, 0.85. So 0.85 ni cure. Apa tadi? So X greater than or equals to 4 Okay, so again, this one, you need to change because the probability given is 0.85. So change kepada Y. So kamu nak cari lebih ataupun sama dengan 4. So maksudnya kurang ataupun sama dengan 3. Okay, so find from your table using this probability. Okay.